everybody, it's Joshua Prince Works Forge. I want to share a tip on forge welding for Damascus. It's just something I do in prep that I think is saves a little bit of time and energy and gets a better result. So check it out. So real simple, here's a stack of 1080 and 15 and 20 layers that I've got welded up, got a handle on it. And you'll notice that this was the side that was down on the this is the side that was down when I laid everything out and clamped it up, and then this is the side that was up, and you can see there's a lot of unevenness. If I go ahead and forge weld this way and then go to press it on the side, all these are going to fold over and squish, and I'm going to get a lot of cold shuts here, which I'll have to clean up, especially if I'm going to use this face in my next round of welding, which I am. So what I do on both sides actually, and here's a billet that I've already prepped. I take my angle grinder with I use a Cubitron disc. If you haven't used these, give one a try. You'll notice it's got really large grains. This one's a little bit worn, but it does a great job. Removes a lot of material quickly and doesn't throw off a lot of dust. What I do is I knock off all the highs, and even on the side that was good, I hit it. And I tend to find that it almost blends the layers together, even before I've welded, which I think will, in the long run, also exclude oxygen a little bit better. So that's the tip. Give it a try.